Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wecheer. If you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button and let's jump right into this video. So we're gonna be unboxing the Wecheer nail drill BTW. I had one already. It freaking broke, but it also comes in this one you have to keep plugged in, and then this one is a rechargeable one. I really don't like the rechargeable one because it doesn't drill too fast. Like it stops like as you keep going up, but it has different speed if you can hear it. So yeah, unboxing. I don't really need the instructions. Why does she like this? Right. I don't really need the instructions, but when you do get it, you should read it because it tells you a lot about the drill. Maybe it would have told me how to properly take care of it where it wouldn't have broke. But I'm gonna see if the cord works in this one. Because if it works in the body, then I'm keeping this. I'm not gonna throw it away. But I believe that's the cord that really is the cord that goes to the hair is the reason why it broke. You can see they twinning. Okay, so it comes with like a little baby wrench because that's what you need to tighten it. But I have like 2 of these already, so I don't need this, but I might keep the bag though. So we're going to unravel it, unravel it, unravel. Ooh, cutting itself. Okay. So let me unplug this, right? Because I want to try it in the other drill, so I'm gonna plug it in. Now, this is the new one, right? I'm gonna plug it into the old one and see if it still works, and it does. So the glitch was in the cord. It is in the cord, but I want my new one. The new one feels more firm. They both have, of course, it's the same thing. They have 23,000 rounds per meter or minute, something like that, RPMs. So it goes from, it starts at 3,000, and then the faster you go up, and this is the highest it goes. So yeah, we have 2. Actually, we have 3. I don't really like this one. This one I feel like I wouldn't even use it on toes because it's so slow, or maybe it just needs charging. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how I put the bits in it. So these are all my bits that I have. I'm gonna put my mandrel bit in. So what you do is you hold on to this button right here and you twist the head to release it. And if you could see inside, it is giving the ability. So now that the bit could fit inside, then you press, as you pressing the button down, you hook the little wrench thingy. Each side goes on each corner, so you put it in like this way, and then you twist it until it could lock, where it won't pull out, and there you go. Really drill. And the same way you remove it. The thing is, you can hand twist it, so you see how it's moving in and out right now. You can hand twist it, but it doesn't keep it in as secure as it will if you wrench it. So yeah, I love this drill, like, and it's so cheap, like it's so affordable. It's only $35, girl. Like, depending on what salon, what nail supply shop you go to, or where you order online, it could range anywhere from $35 to $50. I got mine for $35, and I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. If you do want to buy this drill, I will link it in the description down below, or you can inbox me on Instagram or DM me, or comment under this video, and I will try to go and buy it and ship it to you, and we'll do it that way, just in case it doesn't sell in your area, you know. So yeah, we're talking about the Wecheer And guess what? It says only the best. Big facts. I mean, I know Mia Secret and Valentino Beauty Pure, like those are my two main companies that I want to work with. But at this moment in my life, like I can't do it. But give me some time, like, and it will work. But yeah, I believe that when you are like putting your drill away, make sure you disconnect it, because it's the exact same problem that I had with my old drill, that the cord it now has a glitch in it and it doesn't allow this drill to work, but it should be working because it works with this one. It works with this cord, so I don't know why. See, I don't know why it's not working with the other one. But anyways, I'm gonna see you in my next one when I come to you with another video. Don't forget to stay strong and calm, and don't forget to laugh. Okay, so shout out to Fresh Warning TV. She congratulated me on getting my new nail job. Shout out to you. You are the best. We love you. What's happening? And shout out to Charjay for giving me advice on the best mannequin hand to go buy. I will look into it. I did already start using practicing like that, and I didn't really like it because the nail beds, I couldn't really like drill them. The nails, the plastic tips weren't sticking to them, so maybe I will try again. I just tried it once and I gave up, so I'm just gonna give it another chance. Shout out to Charjay. We love you. Comment on more videos, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, see you in my next one.